Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. Yoga asanas for diabetics. You must understand the best and most holistic approach to addressing a particular disease is by addressing everything. Your food, your sleep, your lifestyle. Your yoga asana practice complements these lifestyle changes that you make. Let's start our practice today. You're going to start at the top of your mat with your feet together, toes touching each other. As you inhale, lift your arms up from the sides. You can look up, palms are still separated. As you exhale, swan dive down to the mat. You can soften your knees here as per your comfort. Lengthen forward into Apada Hastasana. Drop your chin down if you can. From here, you're going to take a long step back with your right foot. Place the right heel down so your toes are turned out slightly. Your right fingertips are going to continue to stay on the mat. Try to straighten the left knee. As you exhale, twist into Parivritta Trikonasana. Gently bend your left knee. Drop the back knee down. Inhale, lift both your arms up, arch back. As you exhale, bring your palms to the heart center and go for a twist into Parivritta Parshva Konasana. Inhale, release the hands. Exhale, place your palms down. As you inhale, take your left foot back to plank position. Exhale, place the knees down and bring your palms onto your waist. From here, you're going to stretch the right leg out sideways. Right toes are pointing out in line with the left knee for Parigasana. Take your arms up to shoulder level. As you exhale, bend to your right side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, bring your knee back into kneeling position. Place your palms on the lower back, thumbs towards the spine. As you inhale, push your hips forward, arch your back. Exhale and come back. We'll do two more. Inhale and arch. Exhale, come back. This time, if you're comfortable, you can get into Ushtrasana with either feet flat or your heels lifted up. Inhale, arch back. First time, so we'll do it with the heels up. Arch back, stay there and breathe. Exhale, palms to the back, come back up. Relax in child's pose. Open out your knees, forehead down on the mat. Soft, steady breathing. Press your palms down. Tuck your toes. Exhale, get into downward facing dog. Now, from your downward dog, walk your feet together. Now, take the right knee, bend the knee. You're going to take the right foot outside of the left. Now, bend both your knees, drop your knees to the mat. And when you sit back, you are in Gomukhasana position. From here, we're going to get into Ardha Matsyendra. Place the right foot down, left heel outside of the hip. Hug the knee into the chest as much as you can. Deep twist, keeping the spine tall. Inhale and come back to center. Release the legs and slowly we're going to lie down on the back. Keep the heels close to the hips. As you inhale, lift your hips up, bringing your collarbone up towards the chin. Stay there and breathe. Exhale and slowly bring your hips down. Now, we're going to hug the knees in close to the chest. If you can, you're going to rock forward and back. Use this momentum to come straight up into Navasana. If this is too much for you, you can always turn to one side and come up. Stay in Navasana for a few breaths. Now bring your feet to the floor and see if you can use this momentum once again to come up to standing without using the support of your palms. If that is too much, you can always use the support of the palms to come up. And we are folding forward again into Uttanasana or Padahastasana. Lengthen forward. Here my feet are hip width apart. In the first variation, we did with feet together. Fold forward. Take a few breaths. Now, bring your feet closer to each other. Take a long step back with the left foot. Left fingertips stay down. As you exhale, lift your right arm up, twist, Parivritta Trikonasana. Place the back knee down. Inhale, take both your arms above the head, arch back, Anjaneyasana. As you exhale, twist to the right side, getting the shoulder outside of your thigh, deepening the twist. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, place your hands down. Inhale and go back to plank. Exhale, knees down. Bring your palms to your waist. You're going to extend the left leg sideways, left toes turned out. Inhale, lift both your arms up. Exhale, Parigasana to the left. Inhale and come back to center. Exhale, bring the left knee back to kneeling position. This time, we'll go directly into Ustrasana with the toes pointed back. So your heels are not lifted up in the second round. Inhale, arch the back, move the hips forward. Drop your palm one at a time towards the heel and keep lifting up through the chest. Use your palms for support. Come back. Sit back into child's pose, lengthening your spine. Press the palms down, tuck the toes, exhale and move to downward facing dog. Take a few breaths in downward dog and then bring your feet together. This time we bend the left knee, take the left foot outside of the right. Now bend both your knees so your knees touch the floor and you're going to sit back. You're in Gomukhasana on the left side. Now place the foot down, move your heel out of the hip. Hug your left knee into the chest and twist, sitting tall. Inhale, come back to center. Release the legs and we're going to lie down again on your back. This time, if you're comfortable, you can practice Sarvangasana or Viparita Karni. As you inhale, you're going to lift your hips up. You can choose to stay here with the knees soft. If you're very comfortable, walk your palms towards your mid-back, bring your elbows closer to each other. Start lifting your legs all the way up. After 8 to 12 breaths, you can take your feet behind the head into Halasana. Slowly, vertebra by vertebra, roll down. As your feet come down, lift your head up, drop your neck back. Gaze at the tip of the nose if that's comfortable. Slowly lift your head up, lie down on your back and relax in your Shavasana. This was an asana flow that we practiced. Now you can repeat this flow multiple times so that you are really lengthening your practice. You can also hold every posture for 3 breaths, 5 breaths or 8 breaths. That's why I haven't really counted. So I'm leaving the breath up to you so you can connect with your breath and go deeper into your practice. Definitely try this out and I really hope it helps. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. you.